we have solution. If you have this bloody dEF in here, if you get somebody done the dEF or some kind of corruption or something like that with the dashboard or whatever, it is actually very fucking easy to fix. Look, this is the full dump. It's instrument cluster Audi A4 Bosch RB4 Crypto 2001 Plus. All data in here. So look, what we can see here is a read. Already we saved the file. We can reset CS. Here is our login code. When you want to log in, you need to use a 0 before login, so 02457. This is the actual millage, and you can recalibrate, and you can just press this repair def. It's reading the address, as you can here see. Here we get the repair def, and here we go. It's done. Look, perfect. So fucking 2 days to try to do this shit. Fucking shit. Look, repair is done. Let's see how the dash look. The fucking def is gone. You have kilometers on 0, all in 0, all bloody done. Look, now it's dashboard is 100% virginized. So what we need to do now, just write in the correct millage, just adopt the case, and job done. So millage recalibration is the next step. I already done it, and I don't know if the login is correct. That probably is the new one. We will see, we will test. But anyway, we have millage done, at least on the dash. So it's back original how it was it before. But still the imam light on. The case is not accepted, so need to adopt the case. I don't know if I'm correct now. Audi A4 S4 RS4 2001-2008 Skyline Diag KW something, and what I need to do, learn case now. So in immobilizer data, as you can see, current K count 0, ECU responding no, engine start permitted no, login acknowledge timeout. I logged in the last password, and the transporter type OK yes, dealer K transporter no, K transporter locked yes, learned no. So basically what I need to do, I need to start 2K learning procedure. Should be there. Next. Enter K count. I don't know. I must enter because I have a 2Ks. K count. Enter K count. I don't know. Maybe I just need to enter 2Ks or 1K. Okay, I try 2Ks. Connecting to channel for adaption. I really hope that work. Testing channel to write 0. Connecting to channel. Reading real values. It says adaption finished. And please turn off the ignition and insert each K which should be learned, and give him on ignition for at least 2 seconds. Okay. So adding Ks is actually pretty bastard. Yeah, I get out. As you can see here, we have a Audi A4 RB4 V0.4. I choose that version, and I click the standard functions. I click the read emo, and it reads the pin code, which is 2457, and as you can see, there's a 3 Ks. So I suppose this is a K1, K2, and K3. As long as I have a working K only 1. CN is this one, long one, win number. So what I need to do, actually, I need to add a K. I don't know exactly how to do it, but have to figure out how to add the K.